Hey you guys, today I thought I would show you my collection of Abutilon. I've got 4 different types of Abutilon. Actually maybe 5. 2 of them don't have any blooms, so I won't be able to show you those ones. But the 3 that are currently, I thought it would be pretty nice to show you. They are very beautiful. This one is Abutilon Pink Parasol. And this one almost is my favorite. It's really droopy because it's been raining and they got hit. But if you can see it, it's a very soft pink with, of course, the yellow center where the pollen is. And it hangs very dainty over. It's droopy right now because of the rain that we've had. But when it's really opened up, it's very beautiful, very unique. Here's another one. This one, some of the petals are a little bit broken up. This one is a little bit more of in its prime while it gets ready to open up. But you can see how beautiful that one is. And then a couple more over here. Lots of buds. And this one is just barely opening up. So this one is Abutilon Pink Parasol. This one is Red Glory, and it's not as red as the one that I lost in my garden. It did not come back this year for me like it did all the other years, but this one has a hint of like I'm not sure, it's not as deep, like I want to say bright red as the one that I previously had. This one seems more of a burgundy tone. Sorry, hanging it upside down. There we go. So, but you can see all the clusters of flowers that are on here. So this one is really pretty in its own. So I like it just as much as the red one, but I do miss my red one. This isn't like a true red, like the lipstick red color of the other one that I lost. But it's still really pretty. Here is this one that's fully open. And it just hangs beautifully just like that. But this cluster here, you can see how prolific it is with all of the flowers. And a couple more over here. This one is very prolific in its color. Look at all the droplets of water from the rain. So this one is more prolific than this one, the Pink Parasol. And then I have Little Miss Sunshine over here. I'm not sure how I feel about her yet. Her compact habit makes it hard to see the flower because you can see it droops into the branches. And it doesn't stand upright how I would like to, so you can actually see the flower. So if I lift this one up, see, you can see the Abutilon. It's really pretty. It's just yellow on yellow. And you can see it has a whole bunch of buds that are bursting to open. But I feel like the compact pattern of it, it's hard for it to stand upright with all of the flowers it has. See, I wish it was more upright habit, but it's more of a droopy habit. So you can see it's more of like a lantern style. Look at this one, it's fully open. That's really pretty. Definitely one to have if you're into collecting Abutilon. But I think my 2 favorite is still these one plus the red one that I lost. This is the Pink Parasol. And this one, of course, is Red Glory. And then I've got the Red Tiger one. That one hasn't bloomed yet for me. It's got a couple buds, so I will show you when it actually blooms. And then I also have another one that I lost its tag to. The dog got into the pot and almost decimated it. I was able to save the pot and kind of regrow it. It's this one here. It doesn't have a bloom, but it's starting to come out one. There's one right here. The leaf structure is a lot bigger than, let me take one off and I will show you. The leaf structure is a lot bigger than the other ones over there. So here's the leaf structure, and this is the one for pink parasol. You can see, look at how big the leaf is compared to that one. And again, if I bring this one over to a mature one of the red, of Red Glory, look how big it is. And even to Yellow Miss Sunshine. I think Miss Sunshine is the smallest of the leaves of the Abutilon. Look at how big this one is. It like takes off the whole plant. But the leaves are a lot smaller in stature. And then if you really want to see the Red Tiger, let me bring you over there. Red Tiger is over here. It actually has a growth habit. It's not as compact as all the other ones, so it's actually really long, and I want to train it into a tree. So I came in and I cut some of the branches, and I think I'm going to remove this one just so I have a standard, just a one branch going upward. But you can see this one, the leaf structure is even more different than these one. These are maple looking one. These one have like a, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's supposed to be 5. That one's missing one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little fingerling, the leaf structure, I guess is, I'm not sure how to describe it, but see how these ones broken up into little fingerling, whereas this one is just more of one standard leaf. So all are Abutilon. They are Japanese maple, another name for them. But you can see they have different leaf structures. Really unique. This one is really unique. I really like the leaf structure of this one. And then I have just a couple of buds up here. But once it shows up, I will do another video just so you can see that one. So that's my collection. All of these I purchased at Logi's Nursery, and they come in a 4-inch pot container, and I've actually grown them and they've gotten bigger. So really excited to see. Now these are gonna have to go indoor. I'm gonna have to baby them because I don't want to lose them like I did the other one. The other one's supposed to come back, but I think just the winter and the soil condition and everything just root rot the base of it, and it didn't come back. So I'm gonna keep these as indoor pots, just gonna grow them in here and then see how big they're gonna get, and then I'm gonna get a really nice indoor pot for them. So right now they're just growing. Alright, that is it for my collection of Abutilon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.